this is Mrs. Knopf, and today we are going to continue in our method book with line 51, 7-note pattern. So now we're going to put together all of the notes that we have learned into a single tune. So let's see what we have in our music. We always start with our treble clef, and then we have our time signature. We are in 4/4 time. The top number tells us how many beats are in each measure. The bottom number gives us the value of the whole note even when we don't have whole notes. So let's break that down. If we had a whole note, it would get 4 beats, and then half of a whole is a half of 4 is 2. So our half notes and our half rests, those get 2 beats. Then half of a half is a quarter, half of 2 is 1. So our quarter notes get 1 beat each. And finally, half of a quarter is an eighth, half of 1 is half. And our eighth notes, which are generally paired together, they by themselves get half a beat, but since they come in a pair, it equals to 1 full beat. So the first half is the downbeat, the second half is the upbeat. Put them together, you have 1 beat. So we're going to go through and see what our patterns are. So the first 2 lines, it's just going up for 3 and then back down. C, D, E, D, C. When you're holding on to that half note and then you have a half rest, that gives you plenty of think time, but the pattern is so simple, it should be very easy when you go on to the next one. So you just go up a step. D, E, F, E, D. Again, plenty of time to look ahead to the next place. Same pattern, up a step. E, F, G, F, E. And one more time, up one more step, starting on F. F, G, A, G, F. Now here's where it might get a little tricky. We are going to start back on our C, take it all the way up to our A, all the way back down to our B, below the staff, and end on our C. So we have in the very last line, C, D, E, F, G, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, C. So you want to take it at a tempo where you can manage those eighth notes and not have to slow it down. I have my metronome set for 88 beats per minute. I hope you can play along with me. Start each note with a T sound, and here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready. And that's it for line 51, 7-note pattern. So hopefully you're able to keep up with that. If you need to isolate that last line to get those eighth notes just right, absolutely do that. Work on what gives you the most trouble. As much fun as that isn't, that's what's going to make you better. You have to get out of your comfort zone, do the hard things, and then suddenly they're not hard anymore. They're pretty simple. So I hope this has been helpful, and we'll see you next time.